Welcome, adventurers. Let's go to Portugal. This beautiful country is known for its rich history, vibrant culture, and stunning landscapes. From the golden beaches to the charming towns, there's so much to explore. So, pack your bags and get ready for an unforgettable journey. It's a land of sunshine. The ocean sparkles. Imagine the warm sun on your face and the sound of waves crashing on the shore. The beaches here are perfect for relaxing and soaking up the sun. You can build sandcastles, collect seashells, or just enjoy the beautiful view. And the buildings? They're like something out of a storybook. Each house is painted in bright, cheerful colors, and the streets are lined with flowers. It's like stepping into a fairy tale. The architecture is unique and full of character, making every corner a delight to explore. We'll travel like little clay heroes. With our tiny hero outfits, we'll embark on exciting adventures. Whether it's climbing hills, exploring caves, or discovering hidden treasures, there's always something thrilling to do. Our journey will be filled with fun and excitement. Our journey takes us to two amazing cities, Porto and Lisbon. Get ready for fun. First stop, Porto. Imagine colorful houses. Porto is known for its stunning architecture and vibrant culture. The city is full of life with bustling markets, lively streets, and friendly locals. There's so much to see and do here. They're stacked together like building blocks. The houses in Porto are built on steep hills, creating a unique and picturesque landscape. Each house is different, with its own charm and character. It's a sight to behold and a photographer's dream. Winding streets lead to the Douro River. The river is the heart of Porto, and it's a beautiful place to visit. You can take a leisurely stroll along the riverbank, enjoy a boat ride, or simply sit and watch the world go by. The views are breathtaking, and the atmosphere is peaceful and relaxing. We'll see boats with colorful sails. These traditional boats, known as rabelos, are a symbol of Porto. They were once used to transport port wine from the vineyards to the city. Today they add a touch of charm and history to the river. Watching them sail by is like taking a step back in time. They're carrying sweet port wine. Porto is famous for its port wine, and you can see the barrels being transported on these boats. The wine is rich and flavorful, and a visit to one of the local wineries is a must. You can learn about the winemaking process and even sample some of the delicious wine. The smell of baking bread fills the air. Let's go. The bakeries in Porto are known for their delicious bread and pastries. The aroma of freshly baked bread is irresistible, and you can't help but stop and try some. From sweet pastries to savory treats, there's something for everyone. So let's dive into this claymation adventure and discover the magic of Portugal together. Porto is old. You can feel it. The buildings whisper stories, tales of centuries gone by. As you walk through the narrow, winding streets, it's almost as if the past is alive, breathing through the ancient stones and cobblestones beneath your feet. The cityscape is a living museum, each structure a chapter in the grand history book of Porto. The architecture here is a testament to the city's rich cultural heritage, with every corner revealing a new story waiting to be discovered. They're made of stone with colorful tiles that catch the sunlight and reflect a spectrum of vibrant hues. These tiles are not just decorative, they are a symbol of Porto's identity, a blend of art and history that adorns the city's buildings. The intricate patterns and vivid colors of the tiles tell their own stories, adding to the rich tapestry of Porto's cultural narrative. These tiles are called azulejos. They are a distinctive feature of Portuguese architecture, and Porto is renowned for its stunning azulejos displays. Each tile is a piece of art, meticulously crafted and painted, often depicting scenes from history, mythology, or everyday life. The azulejos are not just beautiful, they are a window into the soul of Porto, reflecting its artistic spirit and historical depth. They make the city bright and cheerful, transforming ordinary buildings into vibrant canvases of color and design. Walking through Porto, you can't help but feel uplifted by the cheerful ambience created by these beautiful tiles. They add a unique charm to the city, making it a delightful place to explore and discover. Look, it's São Bento railway station. This isn't just any train station, it's a masterpiece of art and architecture. The exterior is impressive, but it's the interior that truly takes your breath away. The walls are covered in pictures, or rather, magnificent murals made of azulejo tiles. These murals are not just decorations, they are grand narratives that depict significant moments in Portugal's history. They tell stories of Portugal's past, Gromit is amazed. Each mural is a visual storybook, capturing the essence of historical events and cultural milestones. The detail and artistry in these murals are astounding, making São Bento railway station a must-visit landmark in Porto. He loves a good story. And who wouldn't? The stories told by these murals are captivating, drawing you into the rich history of Portugal. Gromit's excitement is contagious, making you appreciate the beauty and significance of these artistic masterpieces even more. Next, we'll visit Livraria Lelo. It's a bookshop, but not just any bookshop. This one is magical, a place where literature and art converge to create an enchanting experience. But not just any bookshop. This one is magical. Stepping inside, you are transported to a world of wonder and imagination. The atmosphere is almost otherworldly, with every corner of the bookshop exuding charm and elegance. It has a grand staircase and stained glass ceiling. The staircase is a marvel of design, winding gracefully and inviting you to explore the upper levels. The stained glass ceiling bathes the interior in a soft, colorful light, adding to the magical ambience of the place. It's like stepping into a fairy tale. Every detail, from the ornate woodwork to the carefully arranged books, contributes to the enchanting atmosphere. Livraria Lelo is not just a place to buy books, it's a destination, an experience that leaves you spellbound and eager to return. Porto's heart is the Douro River. It sparkles in the sun. Let's take a boat ride. We can see Porto from the water. The boat bobs gently. The breeze feels good. We pass under bridges. Each one is a different shape. The Dom Luís Mai Bridge is the most famous. It's tall and grand. From the river, Porto looks like a painting. There are oranges, yellows, and blues. It's a feast for the eyes. All this exploring makes us hungry. Lucky for us, Porto has a treat. It's called francesinha. Imagine a sandwich, but it's covered in melted cheese. Francesinha is a sandwich with a secret. It has sausage, ham, and steak inside. Then it's covered in a special sauce. The sauce is made with tomatoes and beer. It's delicious. You take a bite. The cheese is gooey, the sauce is tangy, the meat is savory. It's a party in your mouth. 5. Lisbon, a city of 7 hills and endless charm. Nestled along the Atlantic coast, Lisbon is a city that effortlessly blends the old with the new. From its ancient cobblestone streets to its modern, vibrant neighborhoods, Lisbon offers a unique experience for every traveler. The city is known for its 7 hills, each providing breathtaking views and a distinct character. As we explore, we'll uncover the layers of history, culture, and charm that make Lisbon truly special. Next stop, Lisbon, we hop on a train. The journey itself is a delight, as we pass through picturesque landscapes dotted with quaint villages and lush vineyards. The anticipation builds as we approach the city, with its iconic red rooftops and the shimmering Tagus River coming into view. The train ride is not just a means of transportation, but an introduction to the beauty and charm that awaits us in Lisbon. Lisbon is different from Porto. It's built on hills, and this gives it a special charm. The city's unique topography means that every corner turned reveals a new perspective, a new vista. The hills are not just a physical feature, but a defining characteristic of Lisbon's identity. They shape the way the city has developed, with neighborhoods cascading down slopes and offering stunning views at every turn. Get ready for amazing views, whether it's from the top of the historic São Jorge Castle or one of the many Miradouros viewpoints scattered throughout the city. Lisbon's vistas are nothing short of spectacular. As the sun sets, the city is bathed in a golden glow, creating a magical atmosphere that is both romantic and awe-inspiring. These views are a testament to Lisbon's natural beauty and its harmonious blend with urban life. Lisbon is a city of contrasts. It has old neighborhoods and new ones. The historic Alfama district, with its narrow, winding streets and traditional fado houses, stands in stark contrast to the modern Parque das Nacos, a testament to Lisbon's forward-thinking spirit. This juxtaposition of old and new creates a dynamic and vibrant cityscape where history and modernity coexist in perfect harmony. There are grand squares and narrow alleyways. The Gran Praça do Comércio, with its majestic arch and sweeping views of the river, is a hub of activity and a symbol of Lisbon's rich maritime history. In contrast, the labyrinthine alleys of Bairro Alto invite exploration and discovery, each turn revealing hidden gems, from cozy cafes to vibrant street art. These contrasting elements add to the city's charm and allure. There's always something to discover, whether it's a hidden courtyard, a charming boutique, or a local eatery serving up delicious pastéis de nata. Lisbon is full of surprises. The city's rich cultural tapestry is woven with countless stories, each waiting to be uncovered by the curious traveler. Every street, every corner holds a piece of the Lisbon soul, inviting us to delve deeper and experience its many facets. We hear music in the streets. It's fado music. This traditional Portuguese genre, characterized by its soulful and melancholic melodies, is an integral part of Lisbon's cultural identity. As we wander through the city, the haunting strains of fado can be heard emanating from taverns and street corners, adding a poignant soundtrack to our exploration. The music speaks of the city's history, its people, and their enduring spirit. Fado is full of emotion. The singers, known as fadistas, pour their hearts into every performance, conveying deep feelings of longing, love, and loss. Their voices, accompanied by the mournful sounds of the Portuguese guitar, create an atmosphere that is both intimate and powerful. Fado is more than just music. It is a reflection of the Portuguese soul, capturing the essence of saudade, a deep emotional state of nostalgic longing. It tells stories of love, loss, and longing. Each song is a narrative, a glimpse into the lives and emotions of the people who call Lisbon home. The themes of fado resonate with universal human experiences, making it a deeply moving and relatable art form. Through its melodies and lyrics, fado connects us to the heart of Lisbon, offering a window into the soul of the city and its inhabitants. We can't help but tap our feet. The infectious rhythms and passionate performances of fado invite us to join in the celebration of life, love, and the human experience. As we immerse ourselves in the music, we feel a deep connection to Lisbon and its people. The city's vibrant culture, rich history, and undeniable charm come alive through the sounds of fado, leaving an indelible mark on our hearts and memories. No trip to Lisbon is complete without visiting Belém Tower. It stands guard over the Tagus River. It looks like a sandcastle, but it's made of stone. We climb to the top of the tower. The view is breathtaking. We can see the river and the city. We can even see the ocean in the distance. Belém Tower reminds us of Portugal's past. It was once a starting point for explorers. They sailed to new lands and discovered new worlds. One of the best ways to explore Lisbon is by tram. These aren't your ordinary trams. They're yellow and old-fashioned. They clang and rattle through the streets. We hop on the famous tram 28. It takes us through the oldest parts of Lisbon. We pass by colorful houses and charming cafes. We even go up steep hills. The tram ride is a bumpy one, but that's part of the fun. It feels like we're traveling back in time. We work up an appetite after our tram ride. Time for a sweet treat. Lisbon is famous for pastel de nata. These are small custard tarts. They're crispy on the outside and creamy on the inside. We find a bakery. The smell of cinnamon and pastry fills the air. We take a bite of pastel de nata. It's heavenly. The custard is sweet and smooth. The pastry is flaky and buttery. It's the perfect ending to our day. Our claymation adventure in Portugal comes to an end. We've seen so much. From the historic streets of Porto to the sunny hills of Lisbon, we've tasted delicious food, heard beautiful music, and made unforgettable memories. Portugal, you've captured our hearts. You're a land of warmth, beauty, and charm. We'll never forget our time here. 8 Logo.